Nathan, there is a special birthday present for you from Imi Uni.
Where?
Find it.
I see it! I think I found it. Oh, I got this toy. Oh, yeah.
Let's see it. Oh, look at this. Imi Uni friend. What's this?
My watch!
Can you show me the picture?
Please show me. Yeah, it looks like Imi Uni.
Look at
Please show me. Please show me. And look at the picture of this.
Yay!
Yes, Miss Tia. I love my watch.
What did you get from Miss Tia, Nicola?
Got a diaper bowl.
Nice.
Let me. Mommy! Nicole, it's for you.
No, this is a birthday card for Nathan. It was Nathan's birthday, right?
What? Mom, please open this.
It says, Happy birthday, Nathan, from your best friend, Imi Uni. Wow. That's wow.